So here's my review on the bee kit that you get on Amazon. This is the smaller hive kit, and it does come with, you know, a fairly decent set of gloves with canvas gauntlets and leather leather fingers, a bee brush, some instruction manuals, standard hive tool, frame holder, smoker pellets, decapper, a single feeder for bottles, and then the tool to put in the wire framing, or for a frame tool. And it also does have a way to do the marking for the queen, and a queen cell holder, queen holder. Lots of great pockets in here. The stitching is really good on the bag. It doesn't close on top, and it also has the smoker, which we're setting up right here. Very nice smoker. So yeah, really great kit, very affordable price. Get it on Amazon today.